Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today we've got this ice cream maker from Silvercrest. Summer is here, holidays, and our favorite sweet, it is an ice cream. Well, for me, I don't know for you guys, but today I purchased this ice cream maker to make a delicious ice cream. I hope I will do a great job. This is for making ice cream or sorbet. Firm consistency, soft serve, 700 ml, 170 centimeters the cable, 90 watt, 3 years warranty, and some of the key features: control panel with the 3 buttons, off, soft serve, and ice cream. Capacity, it is 700 ml the maximum. Includes 6 pieces inside, surge protection for the motor, anti-slip fit for added stability. Includes 6 recipes with instructions and including a vegan recipe. Thumbs up. Well, let's open it to see what we have inside and starting to make an ice cream. And inside, of course, we're going to find out, and the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're going to find out all about this product. Here we've got the main cable with adapter and plug. First time I see on this appliance is such kind of adapter. It is an 18 volt 5 amps, 90 watt consumption. Great. Measuring cup helps you to measure the right amount you want to use for your recipe. Silicone spatula. Ice cream scoop, very nice, and set of 5 measuring spoons. Nice. Now at the unit we can see we've got the lock and unlock. Turn that and you can take all the motor out. Here we've got 2 contact blades. They come in contact here, and the motor, it takes power and is working. Inside we've got the motor shaft, the lid around. You can rotate that, unscrew, and take out the steerer and wash it well. And of course you can take and the lid out and wash it and that. Very convenient. And then everything tight. This screw is more for this lid plastic. Take it out and wash it. And for the steerer, just press and it will go inside, and again pull, it will go out. And at the unit we've got the on-off switch, the soft ice cream button, and the ice cream button. And inside we've got the aluminum container, and we can see it says max at this area. That is the maximum that you can insert inside of all the ingredients. Nice. Some ventilation here. And to connect the cable, take out this cap and connect it here, very easy, and plug it in. And of course insert that again, turn, lock it, and it's ready to work. And inside I can see it has a fan to cool down the internals. And here we've got a handle. Carry on with you wherever you want. And at the base we've got 4 rubbers. Prevent any movements when it's working. Well, nice of that. I think it's time to make the ice cream. Find the right recipe and start. Now here we are. All the ingredients. We are going to make an ice cream with yogurt and banana. We've got 1 banana, blend it, or you can do it with a fork. 150 grams of yogurt, 3 spoons of sugar, and 3 spoons of cream. Well, let's insert all that in the container and start the mixing. And the cream, 3 spoons, plug it in. We've got a red button. Insert, of course, the cup with a lid, and you need to press the first button, starting the mix. The whole process, it will take about 60 to 70 minutes. It is 40 minutes now, and I can feel it is very cool. It's doing a great job, and the mixing inside is not anymore so liquid. It's getting colder and colder, and I will leave it another 20 minutes. It will be okay. And off. Now let's open it and empty everything from inside. And I can see the lid is very clean. Thumbs up. Ooh, it is quite cold in the aluminium. Now let's take everything out and put it to the freezer for 2 hours. And then I'm going to taste it to see if it tastes good. Oh my god, where's the spatula? It's making noises. Oh, there is the spatula. A small amount of cherry to give a nice flavor. It looks great. I hope it will taste great. Let's put it to the freezer. And now guys, for the second recipe, I have cleaned all the unit. And we need 1 egg, 1 vanilla, 85 ml of milk, fat milk, 45 grams of sugar, 45 grams of chocolate, a small spoon of salt, and 140 ml of cream. All that we're going to insert it at the container and start the mixing. Milk, sugar, vanilla, 140 ml of cream, 1 egg, and the chocolate. And small amount of salt. And we have the unit, of course. Insert it inside. Lock it. And again, this is for the soft ice cream. We need the ice cream button. The whole process, it will take about 70 minutes. The temperature in the aluminium container is cooled to -50 Celsius within 2 hours. You need to stop the ice cream before this time will reach it by pressing, of course, the off button. And of course, if you need to add some other ingredients, you can turn it off, add and start again. If the ice cream becomes too thick and the motor locks, a signal will sound 50 times and the corresponding button will flash yellow. The ice cream will still be cooled down to the desired consistency, but the motor, it will stop to work because the ice cream, it will be too thick. And we can see the ingredients inside is too thick, and it's very cool that. I will leave it about another 5 minutes. It will be okay. And I think now we are okay. Off after 70 minutes. I will empty that at this container. You can see everything is clean, no problem. I'm going to clean that with this spatula. Oh, we can see the chocolate. Nice. And then I will put everything at the freezer for about 2 hours. And then it will start the fun part. Taste the ice cream. Nice. And there is the ice cream ready. I took it out from the freezer and let's taste it now. We've got this plastic scoop. Oh, ice cream, and we've got a cherry inside. Oh yeah. Well, let's see how it tastes. Oh, this is amazing with chocolate. Oh. Yep. Banana and yogurt. It rocks. It is very tasty. Wow. I like it. Thumbs up. My God. Summer is here and I will do everyday ice cream. Yeah. I like it. Thumbs up. He's doing a great job. I didn't expect so much, but of course it depends the recipe. Online you are gonna find out so many recipes, and definitely you're gonna make your own favorite ice cream with this ice cream maker. Well guys, that was all about. It cost about 70 euros, and if you like ice cream at the summer, and why not at the winter, it is your choice, well, just buy it and make your own ice cream at the right time. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Yeah, thank you again for watching. Oh, let me eat more. Please subscribe, yeah. Hit the notification bell. More videos are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have fun. Great summer. Bye bye.